Okay, so welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so, make sure to comment, subscribe. That's the big part, because I'm gonna try to put out more videos and whatnot, so make sure you do that. Anyways, let's get back to the video. So today I will be reviewing some of my biggest fitness inspiration women that I have been like following way before she turned like 25. She was like, I think, younger than 21 when I started following her. But if you guys don't know, Katya, she is like an Instagram fitness model, and now she kind of started her career to like expand her career into like less protein, as well as boom, leggings, workout leggings. So I'm gonna give a quick review, honest review, just to tell you guys whether it's a hit or a miss. And shout out to my boyfriend for buying me all these leggings. Thank you. Okay, so this is the first pair. I already wore these, and my honest opinion was, I don't know, when I pulled it out of this little plastic, I looked at it and I was like, you have got to be kidding me. Like, this is the type of material that I would buy like at a swap meet or at the pulga. So I was kind of iffy to try them on, and then I tried them on and they had like I don't know if you guys could see like this little fuzzy, and I guess that's because it's like part of like the winter collection. I honestly didn't know that, and yeah, I didn't think they were see-through, but then I remember I was like bending my knee and I was like, you could see my whole knee. But the thing is with me is that I wear like how would I say this, I wear like tan underwear, so you could like never really tell. It's like the skin cut, like literally my skin color. But I'm going to show you guys so you guys see, you know, you guys, it's like a little bit see-through. So I was like, I always asked my little sister, I was like, hey, can you like see? But she said no, that she couldn't see anything. But I don't know, maybe I don't know if I'll wear them. They're super cute. They kind of do give you a little camel toe. The size that I got was, oh my god, extra small and small, because the other size was like medium and a large. So I was like, I'm not as extra small, I'm a small, but I'd rather round up, but I'm also not a large. So I decided to go with these. But overall the fit was pretty good. They're super bright, and they have her like little logo here on the bottom of like your leg, and then in the front part. And I honestly thought they were gonna fall down, but they didn't, because they have like this little sticky thing, plastic, I don't even know what it is. But yeah, at first it was like uncomfortable, but then it really did help. So I don't know if I would wear these when I'm like doing cardio, just because they're super warm, and they're a little, I don't know, they're a little see-through. I'm kind of disappointed, but it is what it is. And I also got them for like 50% off because it was her 25th birthday party. So happy birthday. Okay, so I'm gonna try them on so you guys can see how they look and all that. And they also come up to like your waist, so that's a big plus. You know, gotta cover that lonja. Okay, this is the next one. Okay, this fabric feels different from this one. This one's more like a softer fabric. This one's like a little bit rough. I don't know, I just feel like, oh, and it has this too. This is very helpful, like nothing slipped, like nothing. Yeah, these are cute. I don't know, it's like a good fabric. These seemed like a cheap fabric for sure, but these, I think these are alright. They're cute. As always, I have the logo. And what size did I get these? I got these in a small. we'll try those on. And I'm telling you, like, the blue, it's bright blue. Like, I remember I went to the store and everyone was just staring at me. I was like, I'm so sorry. Like, it was bright. I think these, I'm also gonna put like the names of them so you guys could buy them, and as well as the sizes. Okay, this is a small wash. 192% nylon and 8% spandex. And then these were 95% polyester and 5% spandex. I don't know, I feel like I'm more leaning towards these. They're not as see-through, and we'll see how they fit. These are so cute. I'm telling you, they look so small that I was like, am I even gonna fit in these? Like, but they stretch. Okay, let's try them on. So I have the blue ones on. They do fit all the way up. Okay, my belly button. So cute. But let's see if they're spot proof. Scrap. Just kidding. Yeah. They're cute or whatever. Yeah. I don't know. They're a little long from here, but I'm short, so it's okay. These pink ones are so hard to put on. So I don't even know if I want to show you guys these because they are just so see-through. I don't think it's the size, I just think it's the material. It sucks, but we'll see. Look, from the front and everything, they're good. And then I don't even want to show you guys the back. Like, you just squat and everything is see-through. Kind of disappointed. I don't know. Maybe I'll return them. I'm so sad. Let me just try on the green ones just to get it over with, and if they don't fit, it looks like I'm gonna return them. Well, not that they don't fit. If they're see-through, these are too see-through. Okay, so I have the olive green on, and they look nice, but once you bend over or anything, it's just straight up see-through. Like, now I'm kind of thinking, like, I already wore the blue ones. I wonder how ridiculous I looked at the gym, like everyone's seeing my underwear. I don't know. I'm kind of sad because I always like supported her and everything. I was like, oh my god, like, buy her leggings, or I'd always tell people like, buy her workout plans, or like, buy her leggings, and then I bought them. So big mistake. But I'll show you guys how they look. It's up to you. Maybe it's just like this batch was not made correctly, but I don't know. Okay, so this is how they look. Come up. That's how they look. See through. You see, like, this is how I usually am at the gym. Like, I'm always like stretching, like left to right, you know. But if this is gonna be happening, like, no. Okay, so I'm done reviewing them. I think they are trash. Like, I don't know, I'd rather buy something at like the flea market. Maybe it'll be like better quality or anything like that. Don't buy them. Save your money. Do not buy them. Even though I got them for like super cheap or like on sale, still I would not buy them again, ever. But anyways, if you guys want me to keep doing these videos, let me know. Like, I'm honest because I wear these leggings and I don't want people to like waste their money, you know, because money comes and goes. Like, so yeah, don't waste your money. Don't buy these. I probably will send them back. Katya, so sorry, but your leggings suck. Hopefully, like, one day I'll make my own leggings, speaking into the future, but not like these. These straight up suck. See-through, bad quality, the material sucks. Anyway, see you guys on my next video.